Rebecca.
And Gabby.
Nice to see you guys. So today we're going to be teaching you guys how to make homemade crystals. And it's really simple. You just need 3 pipe cleaners, some borax, a little piece of string, and a popsicle stick, a skewer, anything that you can use to tie the crystal onto it, and it's going to hang over the jar. So, and you need boiling water as well. So to make our crystal, you're just going to tie together the pipe cleaners, and then you're just going to kind of coil them together. Grab another one. It should look something like this. It doesn't have to be perfect or anything. And then you're gonna get your string and you're gonna tie it on. And then you're gonna tie it on here. Look something like this, and then we'll put it over, and then Gabby's gonna come do the water.
So after that, we're going to use the jar. Oh, remember, we have to put the borax first, the water and the borax. Just be careful, please, parents. We're going to add that borax.
Thank you. You're welcome. And you want to add the borax until it looks cloudy and kind of mix it throughout. So I would add like 5 or 6 scoops.
Do you think we need more?
I think that's okay. Until in the instructions it says to add as much borax until it looks cloudy like that.
Then after that, we're going to put food coloring.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
So 20 drops of food coloring.
Mix it.
There we go. After that, we're going to put
the most important step is to leave it in there for up to 12 hours. So you can see the crystals form after that.
So see you later, and I'm going to show how to pose the results.
Bye guys.
Thank you.